Nowadays, with tools like ChatGPT, coding may seem easy, but it's not always straightforward. For example, a single machine learning problem can have multiple solutions, and finding the most optimized one requires a deep understanding of the technology. Artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT cannot provide this directly. You need to know the exact technology and how it works to command these code writing tools. Welcome to AI Made Easy, your one-stop solution to all tech problems. Before we get into the video, make sure that you have joined our Telegram channel, as I will be sharing all the links there itself. In this video, I have brought 5 core technology courses for you. And if you stay till the end, I have 4 bonus courses waiting for you as well. Additionally, all the courses discussed in this video are completely free. You don't need to spend a penny on them, and some of them even offer certifications. So let's get started. Also, note that this video is a sequel to the previous one, so make sure to watch that as well. I have shown you how to get Coursera certification courses for free using legal methods in that video. The first category we have for you is related to core artificial intelligence, and we have 2 courses in this category. The first is Harvard's full university course on artificial intelligence with Python. This course is completely free and available on YouTube, with a duration of approximately 12 hours. Trust me, these 12 hours will be some of the best hours of your life. You will learn in depth about artificial intelligence technology and what is trending right now. My suggestion would be to go prepared with basic Python for this course. The second course in this category is provided by Stanford, named Artificial Intelligence Principles and Techniques. You can find this course playlist on the Stanford Online YouTube channel. The content is around 24 hours, but on finishing this course with proper attention and practice, there won't be a single thing in artificial intelligence that you won't be aware of. Note that none of the courses have coding in them. It is mostly theory because, as discussed earlier, you can get the code from artificial intelligence tools if you know the technology very well. The next category of courses I have for you is Core Machine Learning, and we have 2 courses here as well. The first course is presented by Ayush Singh, with a duration of around 10 HRS. I suggest that you should have a basic understanding of machine learning before going for this course. But I must say, the way this guy teaches machine learning is definitely pretty amazing, and I'm sure you will love it too. The second course I have for you is a machine learning playlist by CampusX. It is creatively divided into 100 days. I have myself completed this entire course, so I can tell you that it is totally worth learning in-depth machine learning concepts through this course. Just one thing to note is that this course is in Hindi. The next category is Core Blockchain, which is also a pretty trending technology for 2024. The first course in this category is a 32-hour in-depth course on the Free Code Camp YouTube channel. This course covers every single detail about blockchain technology, how it is used, and much more. The second course in this category is about 6 hours, and you can say it is an introduction to blockchain technology provided by CodeEater YouTube channel. This course is perfect for those who are completely new to this technology. Also, note that this is in Hindi as well. Before we discuss the next category, I want you all to hit that like button, as it motivates me to bring more such videos. If this video reaches 200 likes, I will bring a third part of this video as well. Moving on, the next category I have for you is MLOps. And you can say this is the most important technology you should learn if you are anywhere related to artificial intelligence or machine learning. The first course in the category is provided by Andrew Ng himself. If you don't know this name, then you are far behind in machine learning. This course consists of 40 videos, approximately 10-20 minutes long. But once you are done, you will have very detailed practical knowledge about MLOps. For sure, you need practice. The second course in this category is again presented by Ayush Singh. This course is around 3 hours, and the content is definitely amazing and informative. But I will suggest that you have basic knowledge of machine learning before going for this course. The next category is, as expected, data science, and I don't think that I should tell you how important this is nowadays and in the future as well. The course I have for you here is not on YouTube, but on Coursera. The name of the course is IBM Data Science Professional Certificate. Now, you might say that this isn't free. Don't worry, guys. I have discussed how to get any Coursera course for absolutely free with certification legally in this video, so make sure you check it out. Looking at the course content, we can see that almost every detail about data science, including SQL databases, is covered here. Now, if you are with me till the end, as promised, here are 4 bonus courses for you. First, this is not a normal course. It is basically a degree in computer science provided by Harvard. You will learn every aspect of computer science in this 25-hour course. Second, if you have heard of the metaverse, you must be knowing that it uses augmented reality technology. If you want to work in this field, then this 12-hour course provided by Free Code Camp is excellent for beginners. Third, this course is provided by Deep Learning AI on Coursera. It basically teaches you the math required by machine learning and data science. If you have watched the previous part of this video, then you know how to get it free with certification. Fourth, this is actually not a course, but a website named Class Central, on which you can find the best courses in every technology that are absolutely free. That's all from my side, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope this video provided you with helpful courses. I'll see you in the next video.